Hello there, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an old mini braid into a new box braid. I'm going to start by spraying my hair with water, and I'm going to use bay leaf water. I made this myself. I'm using it because it promotes hair growth, leaves your hair so shining and soft. So I'm using the bay leaf spray on my hair, and I'm going to massage my hair thoroughly. So check out for my hairspray for hair growth. So after spraying the hair with the water, I'm going to continue by massaging some hair oil on my hair. And this oil is a DIY. I made it myself, which I'm going to upload a video after this video. And this hot oil is made of aloe vera, cloves, bay leaves, and carrots. This oil also promotes hair growth. It fights dandruff, leaves your hair shiny and soft. So I'll massage the oil throughout my hair. My hair is quite plenty. Yes, so I have to take my time and then massage the oil throughout the hair. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel. And if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and then share my video out there. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. I actually plan on keeping this here for about 6 months. That I don't know if I will be able to. So throughout this month, I would love to bring you more hairstyles from this mini braid. I guess that's another reason I love the mini braid. You can just do any hairstyle you want with it, and it lasts longer than the big box braids. So yes, that's the reason I prefer the mini braids to the box braid. So I'm actually using 9 braid Yes, I'm combining 9 braids, sometimes 8 or 10. It depends on where it depends on the position. So I'm combining 9 here, and I'm going to use the yarn. That is what I use for the hair, so I'm going to use the yarn for this, and I'll be using it as the base. So I'll use the yarn to bring everything together and then braid on. I'm going to leave the link to the mini braids video, and I also have a video on different hairstyles, 20 of them. I'm also going to leave that link as well. Please do well to comment on what you think about this video.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
right, finally we've come to the end of the video. If you love the video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe for me, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So until then, let's meet in my new video. Thank you and bye.